Hi friends, my name is Berenice Kohana Paulsen. I am passionate about women. I love talking and I love coffee. Welcome on my coffee hop journey. If it is your first time, I want to say thank you for joining me on this platform. I want to say thank you for everyone. Thank you to everyone that subscribe to my channel, that watch my videos, that share it, and that comment and like it. I really appreciate your support. And those that haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, remember to press the subscribe button. It's been a while. It's been a while that since I have a talk with you. And yeah, I am very excited. I am very excited. I am thankful. I'm humble, and I want to share with you the good news, the reason why I am so excited. Look here, look here. This is my first published book. Yes, I am a published author. Wow, I can't believe that it actually happened. As you can see, the book's name is X8. En ongelukkig, of nie ongelukkig nie, maar die boek is in Afrikaans. Die boek is in Afrikaans. And I thought a lot about the language that I must write in. Because I knew that English will obviously be a much bigger platform, but I wanted to be real, and I wanted to talk in my mother tongue. I wanted to express myself the way I really feel, and or the true way of my feelings and emotion. I could better express myself in my home language, which is Afrikaans, and that's why the book is in Afrikaans. In future, it will be translated, but for now, I just want to celebrate this accomplishment, and I want to share it with you. I love writing, and I've been writing for years. Writing is the way that I put my feelings out there, and I've been writing since I can remember. I write, I journal. When I'm sad, when I'm happy, when something happened, I journal. It's the best way for me. It's like to put my words on paper is for me like I'm in conversation with someone. I'm in conversation with God, and that's why I love writing. I have a few writings that's been published on different platforms in the Kuier magazine, and also writing with other writers. So I have some published writing material, but this one this one is mine. This is mine. This is my baby, and this is wow. This is wow. I'm actually still busy to just take in this moment and this achievement. And I'm really, really proud of myself. I want to show you the page where they talk about the author. And this is a short description of me and who I am. So in this book, you will find out who I am, what I do, what I love, what I stand for. And this is in front of the book. I felt like it's been a while. I've been writing for quite some time, and writing is not easy. And people that authors will know that to write is not easy. And when I wrote this book, I wanted to be real. I wanted to be something that can help someone. When I wrote this book, I did not write it for millions. Yes, it's good to get the bestseller, but my motive was, even if it's one person, even if it's one woman, even if it's one life that can be saved by this book, then it's enough for me. Yeah, but thank you. I've already shared it on Facebook and on Instagram and on my WhatsApp, and I want to thank you for the support. Wow, the support was overwhelming and is still overwhelming. Thank you very much for that. Thank you for believing in me and for celebrating with me. Wow. When I received this book, I look at this numbering and I love reading, so I know a lot about books because I love reading, and when I saw this, I was like, wow. I am a registered writer, I'm a published writer, I am registered with the International Standard Book Numbering. International Standard Book Numbering. My name is written there, and this is big. This is very big. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and I really want you to get this book. Get this book. And even if you feel that your life is perfect, you don't need this, you can share this book with someone else. In this book, I write about different challenges. I write about, en die tema is moenie skroei nie, groei. So ek skryf oor ervarings wat voel soos vlamme, wat voel asof jou lewe uit mekaar uitgebrand word. Dit is waaroor ek skryf. Ek skryf oor egskeiding, ek skryf oor gebroke verhoudings, ek skryf oor enkelouerskap, verwerping, woede, kwaadheid en even selfmoord. Ek skryf oor alles in hierdie boek. And I really want you to get this book. I want you to read this book. The book is not very thick, but I can tell you, it's quality. It's quality. It's word. It's word. And the reason why I didn't want the book to be a very thick book is because I want you to read the book and I want you to finish the book. I've realized that we have become a society that don't read anymore, especially books. We would rather read online. And I want you to read this book. I don't want this book to be a book like it's just there on your bookshelf and it's catching up dust there on your bookshelf and you don't read it. That's why I made this book an easy reading book. You can see even the font, everything. I made it so that you can read it and you can share with me. I wrote about identity. I wrote about a lot of things, broken relationships. So yeah, I want you to read this book and I want you to pass it on. I want you to buy the book and get hold of the book. You can buy the book from me. I will put my details on it, but you can WhatsApp me, you can inbox me, you can email me, and I will my contact you with you and you can get the book. You can also get the book online from Groep 7 Drukkers. You can get the book wherever you are. In South Africa, for now, in South Africa, you can get the book. Yeah, so send me a message, let me know, and I will let the book get to you. So yeah, that's all that I wanted to share with you actually today, is to share with me in this excitement of this book. And it's definitely not the last book. There will be more. Yeah, so thank you for believing in me. Thank you for buying the book. Thank you for getting the book. The book is 150 rand. I mean, 150 rand you can eat in one meal. And this is something that you can treasure forever. So yeah, get the book, enjoy the excitement and the celebration with me. Thank you very much. Till next time.